Welcome back. Today I am turning nuts and vegetables into a vegan queso dip, and it's going to be delicious. This recipe is super quick and easy, so it is perfect for all you lazy home chefs. Yeah, you. I see you. As usual, if you want to follow along, I will put a link to the recipe in the description below. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is soften up our vegetables so that they will blend up nice and creamy. So I'm gonna take half a cup of diced butternut squash. You can use fresh if you want, but I'm gonna use frozen because it's quick and easy. I don't have to cut anything. And I'm gonna take a quarter cup of carrots. These carrots have been peeled and cut into tiny little pieces. And I'm just gonna put those together in a pot and boil them for 5 minutes. While my vegetables are cooking over on the stove, I'm going to take a cup of pre-soaked cashews and 1 cup of water and blend it up into a nice cream. Your cashews can be soaked either for 2 hours or you can boil them for 10 minutes. Unless you have a high-powered blender, in which case you don't need to soak them at all. Now that that's nice and creamy, I am going to add my vegetables and 1.5 tablespoons of tomato paste and blend it up again. Now I'm going to add my seasonings. We need a quarter cup of nutritional yeast, half a tablespoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and half a teaspoon of mustard powder. And just give it a few pulses to mix it up, and then we're going to put it back in the saucepan. At this point it's basically done, so if you want to give it a little taste and adjust any seasonings that you might want, go ahead and do that. Otherwise, we're just gonna transfer it back to our saucepan. So you can warm it up just like this if you want a smooth, creamy dip, but I like to add some chunky veggies to mine. So I'm adding half a cup of diced tomato, half a cup of corn kernels. These are frozen, but they will warm up when we warm the dip, and a finely diced jalapeno pepper. Then you're gonna turn the heat on low and keep stirring until the dip is warm. Be careful that you don't use too much heat because the cashews can burn. And that's it, easy. I got my chips and Well, that's it guys and girls. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful. If it was, there's a secret button down below that you can press to get more. It's called the subscribe button, only if you want more epic vegan recipes. If not, I understand. See you in the next one.